The Mous Limitless 2.0 isn't a cheap case. Was it worth $44.99? Check this. The Mous Limitless 2.0 is one tough case. One thing that really sets this product apart is the fact that you can get accessories for it. A leather flip wallet, as well as a vent mount for your car. You see, the Limitless Case 2.0 has a built-in magnetic shield so you can attach your accessories without any issues. Firstly, I am very impressed with the overall design of the case. With the rigid back, the Mous Limitless 2.0 case feels very solid. Mous has really paid a lot of attention in the fine design elements of this case. The side elements are made of TPU found in riot shields. I can be sure the case can withstand the drops and knocks experienced daily. The TPU polycarbonate is fused with AeroShock. AeroShock is a material that contains tiny pockets of air and is cross-linking polymer chains that act like springs. With this technology, when you drop your phone, it bounces. There are several different back finishes to choose from. I chose walnut, but you can get carbon fibre, shell, leather and bamboo. This case is also available for Samsung and Google phones. The slick looks have enough texture to keep your phone from sliding on a flat surface. The midsection of the case thins out, sitting almost flush to the iPhone screen. The oversized corners helps with handling and protection. Okay, so I want to talk about the magnets that are embedded into the back of the case. Mous calls this auto align system. This is used for attaching the leather wallet and the vent mount accessories. These magnets do not interfere with the wireless charging. The Mous Limitless 2.0 is a personal favourite of mine. After using it for some time, I feel the grip works very well. The finish on the edges of the case has enough texture for a good grip, makes one hand operation a breeze. The oversized corners don't really get in your way. Your fingers never spend a lot of time in the thicker part of the case. This feature of the case allows you to pick up your phone easier when it's face down. One thing I did really like about this case is the cutouts on the bottom are large enough for big cable heads. On some cheaper cases, the cutouts are really small, so you only have an option to use certain cables. The buttons on the side feel really good. They don't feel loose or squishy, especially on the iPhone SE2 version. The case comes with a cutout for a SIM eject tool and a SIM, which can come in very handy. Okay, so I've mentioned all the pros, now what are the cons? Firstly, I'm not a big fan of the screen protector provided. For better protection, I'd go for the tempered glass version. The screen protector provided with this case is a plastic one. It's very thin and offers little protection, especially from drops. I'm very skeptical about the wood effect. I'm not sure if it will hold up after a long period of time of use, but we'll see. But for now, for daily use, I have way more confidence in the Mous Limitless 2.0 than a normal case. I've owned an Ottobox case before. The issue with them is they can make the phone very bulky. I feel this is a better alternative as I like to keep my phone light as possible. For most of you out there, the ultimate deciding factor would be the price. This case will set you back £45 or $50, but in this case I really think it's worth it. By paying this premium price, you're getting the real deal here. It's made of high quality real materials, looks and feels amazing and offers a real good protection. So that's it for today. I have other videos on this case, so please go and check it out. Check this.